Hey, today we're diving deep on a desktop DAC, preamp, and headphone amplifier combo that turns conventional designs on its head. The Topping DX9 Discrete. Now, unlike most DACs, it uses a fully discrete 1-bit architecture and pairs it with a high-powered balanced headphone amp and even includes parametric EQ and crossfeed all in one chassis. And by the end of this review, you'll know whether it deserves a spot in your reference system or headphone rig. I'm Bruce Naylor, and this is Desktop HiFi, where we focus on meaningful specs, real-world performance, and we do our best to avoid any kind of marketing hype. So let's dive in. And we'll look at the design and build first. On site, the DX9 Discrete feels, well, premium. The low, wide profile, the desktop chassis is CNC milled aluminum with dual color displays, a clean knob layout, and excellent tactile feel. One standout feature is the clear glass top, offering a peek at the discrete DAC circuitry. It visually reinforces the unique engineering that's inside, and complementing that is a subtle LED lighting that gives a kind of a tube sort of vibe around the edges, which can be dimmed, and it adds a modern high-tech aesthetic without being, for lack of a better term, distracting. Control includes the full function remote, identical to the Topping D900, by the way. From your seat, you can adjust the volume, switch inputs, cycle EQ profiles, or power the unit. So that's very handy if your DX9 Discrete sits on a desktop or in a headphone setup. Now, the tech of this product itself, right, is a self-developed 16-element PSRM 1-bit DAC. Now, that's instead of a single integrated chip. The DX9 Discrete builds the converter from discrete components. So that improves things like linearity, isolating noise sources, and so forth. This architecture delivers 131 dB signal-to-noise ratio and 0.00006% total harmonic distortion, placing it in reference-grade territory. In practice, this means noise is lower, detail is clear, and the DAC responds linearly across all volume levels. The advanced jitter suppression clock keeps digital feeds rock solid from input to output. The headphone section uses a 6-channel discrete NFCA topology, delivers up to 7 watts into 32 ohms. So this isn't enough for the most demanding planar and dynamic headphones, while the noise stays low. And it's balanced, keeping low-level passages very, very clean. Outputs include a 6.35 millimeter, 4.4 millimeter Pentacon, and 4-pin XLR output with output impedance under 0.1 ohm. Perfect, really, for sensitive IEMs or high impedance cans. The DX9 Discrete uses a hybrid relay volume control. So, there's mechanical relay steps that maintain true channel balance even at low volume. So, paired with a 10-band parametric EQ, you can tailor responses for different headphones, speakers, or say just your personal taste. Now, profiles can be saved and recalled via hardware or desktop software. It is called Topping Tune. And thanks to the remote, you can control all of these functions without ever having to touch the unit at all. Whether you're adjusting volume, EQ inputs while listening, such a big convenience for desktop setups. Inputs include USB, Bluetooth 5.1, and LDAC, and aptX adaptive, coaxial, optical AES EBU, and I2S. The XMOS XU316 USB engine supports PCM up to 768 kilohertz and DSD512, ideal for high-res audio. As far as outputs, there's balanced XLR, unbalanced RCA, and preamp outs that let the DX9 Discrete drive powered speakers or integrate into a larger system. The combination of discrete DAC, robust amp, and versatile connectivity makes this a very flexible one-box solution. Now, I want to share my listening impressions. So for critical listening, I use my HIFIMAN Arya Organic headphones with the DX9 Discrete, sourcing music from Apple Music on my iPad Pro via USB. I focused on the 24-bit 192 kilohertz version of the Eagles Hotel California. And the first thing that struck me was how lifelike and silky smooth this sound is. The bass is tight and controlled. It's never boomy. Yet it has impact where it's needed. Imaging was very precise. Instruments and vocals are well centered and stable across the soundstage. Vocals are clear, crisp, and natural. Now, while the level of micro details is nothing short of outstanding, you really do hear subtleties in the guitar lines in the background, textures that make the recording feel just alive. On the track Life in the Fast Lane, the DX9 Discrete delivers serious punch, fully preserving the drive and dynamics without any audible strain or noise. The unit never shows stress, even with complex passages at high volume, which speaks to its powerful low noise headphone amp. In short, the DX9 Discrete translates high-res recordings with exceptional clarity, detail, and composure, making it a reference quality performer for both casual and critical listening. So pros and cons. Get a discrete 1-bit DAC. It provides really low distortion and high dynamic range. You get high power balanced headphone outputs with negligible noise. There's a hybrid relay volume control, ensures very precise adjustments, a full function remote, and kind of a cool LED tube color, glow, and clear glass top. Well, that gives the DX9 Discrete, I think, just a really cool look. You get versatile connectivity, including Bluetooth, USB, AES, I2S+, parametric EQ, and crossfeed. Now, what about the cons? Well, there might be a few. It's a neutral tonal signature, and so some may feel it's a bit clinical. The interface and software could take a little time to master. Personally, I feel it's very simple. The price at $1,300 competes with well-sorted separates, so you might want to look into that as well. Now, who's it for or not for? I think it's ideal for desktop audiophiles, and if you're a headphone enthusiast and you prioritize precision, power, flexibility, it's going to be a great one box solution for reference listening. It's less ideal if you prefer like a coloration or what they call musical signatures, or you want, say, network streaming built in. The Topping DX9 Discrete is a technical tour de force, a reference-grade DAC, headphone amplifier, and preamp in one sleek, illuminated chassis with remote and clear top visual flair. So if you value transparency, control, and you want some really cool style that deserves attention and an audition, well, check it out. I'm Bruce Naylor with Desktop HiFi. Hit the subscribe and comment on what gear you want to see me review next. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.